Just means never call. Oh, vice versa. It depends wherever you at.